to Pookie Bear's Corner. Today we are going to be making something kind of from a box. I don't prefer to make box treats, but this was something my son requested and I didn't feel like making it totally from scratch. So, we're cheating. We're going to use a box mix. We are making red velvet cookies today. So, you are going to need a cake mix, 2 eggs, some oil, and some white chocolate chips. That's it. Super simple, super easy. In your bowl, you're going to put your cake mix. Just like that. Woo! If I'm throwing things around. To that, you are going to add 1/3 cup of oil. Just like that. And 2 room temperature eggs. And somebody in my last video made a comment about the fact that I do not crack my eggs in a separate bowl before I dump them in. It's not how I was taught to do it, but we will do it. Woo! Almost lost the eggshell in there. There's 1. And there's 2. Into the bowl. You're going to give that a little mixy mix. As soon as I get a scraper, we're going to give that a little mixy mix. You know, sometimes you just have to do the quick and easy methods when your family requests something. I just didn't really feel like making them from complete scratch. So I had a red velvet cake mix in the cabinet. So I figured, okay, well, I can do that into cookies. We'll just do it that way because it's a little easier. And my son doesn't ask for sweets very often. So when he does, I try to make sure that I have something for him. Alright. You're going to take about 1 cup of these white vanilla chips. And you're just going to put them in there. And you're going to fold those in. Just like that. Then we are going to get us a cookie tray. Oh, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees for this cookie. tablespoon. I wanted a tablespoon. Okay. Tablespoon. And all you're going to do is take it, put it on your cookie tray. These do spread quite a bit, so I do not overcrowd my cookie tray. I typically do 8 cookies for this one per tray. Just because they do spread a little bit. Ever since he had my red velvet cupcakes a while back, he really likes red velvet. So it's one of his all-time favorite treats now. And I'm okay with that, because they're really simple to make. All right, there you go. We're going to put these into a 350-degree oven for 10 to 11 minutes. And when they come back out, we'll show you what they look like. Ta-ta for now. All right, guys. These are coming out of my oven. My son just saw them and he's like, oh my God, they're huge. Yes, they are. We are going to let these sit on the cookie tray for a few minutes, just so that they can firm up the rest of the way. And then we will take them off and I will show you what they look like on the inside. We'll see you in a little bit. Bye-bye. All right, guys. These are how they look. Coming off of the cookie tray. Nice and golden on the bottom. Soft and flaky on the inside. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that there subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Ta-ta for now.